Hi everyone, hope you all doing great. Today I want to talk about mutual fund investment. I don't want to get into the basics, how to invest, which particular mutual fund to target or anything else. I think the internet is already overburdened with content related to how to invest into mutual funds and different other things. Specifically, I wanted to talk about the last 10 years of return that the mutual fund schemes have given. So, as you can see on my screen, it states that the mutual fund investors have earned over or close to 960% return in last 10 years of the Modi government. And this is basically the data has been gathered from 195 equity schemes. They were analyzed and they came to a conclusion that 960% of return has been generated by these mutual fund schemes in past 10 years. And there were two mutual fund houses which has topped. One is Nippon India Small Cap Fund and the other one is SBI Small Cap Fund. So from Nippon India and from SBI Fund, these are the two small cap fund which has given massive amount of return, as you can see on the screen. One is 964.27%, the other one is 904.58%. So these are the two funds that has given a massive return, and the other three I think are from Quant Fund. As you can see, the ELSS Tech Saver Fund, the Active Fund, again the large scheme, and even I am invested into a Flexicare fund of Quant where I've seen good amount of return in a very short span of time. Within a 6 to 7 months of time, I've seen a good amount of return. Again, I'm not giving you any investment advice here. These are the data that I'm sharing with you. So mutual funds are still holds good value if you want to make a hassle-free and an investment where you don't need to track everything on a regular basis. And if you're not somebody who is an expert in finding individual companies, so you can invest in good funds, and you will see that your money will eventually grow with a good percent. So one of the trend that I'm seeing right now is that a lot of thematic funds are in market, which are related to sectors like power or energy, which are related to IT as well, which are related to the, I mean, we can say automobile sector or the railways. So PSU stocks, we have seen the good rally in last one and a half year, and some of the experts are saying that we will again see the similar kind of rally from here as well. And for the IT, we have seen a massive correction in last one to 2 years, and even from the time of COVID, the IT stocks are not performing well. But considering the rate cut from the Fed is in line and several other factors, we will be seeing a good amount of growth in the IT stocks. So funds which are specifically investing into IT stocks can be something that you can target, or you can consider based on the advice you get from your investment consultant or a SEBI registered analyst. And apart from this, you can also target energy funds. Uh, so these are some of the thematic funds that you can target, and hopefully you will make a good return out of it. So again, this is not an investment advice. The data that I'm sharing about these mutual funds, the 960% of return, 700% return, the 865% return into quant mutual fund. This is the data of past, right? And the past data doesn't account for the future again. Or if you are invested in some other schemes, you cannot make any redemption decision based on this particular data. So you need to do your due diligence. You need to talk to somebody who is an expert into these kind of investment, and based on that, you can make your financial decision. So my idea to make this video is just to give you a perspective that mutual funds are still giving good return, and they are comparatively less risky as well because they invest in a big portfolio. They invest in multiple stocks. So the averaging will basically reduce the risk of your money getting lost. So you can consider these schemes as well. And again, these mutual funds are uh, mostly are from small cap, right? And small cap funds usually are considered very risky. So just to give you some more assurance, I also invested in quant funds, and at the time I was investing in them, these are not the uh, mutual funds that everybody was talking about, because general perspective is that people will suggest you something which is not too risky. So large cap funds and different other funds. So investing in such stocks equally, investing in such mutual funds equally possess a risk of losing your money, because these are high risk mutual funds. So again, be cautious when you invest into such funds, but considering the China plus one policy, the kind of growth we have seen in past 4 5 years in India, and the future ahead, with the current government formation, we can expect that we will see a good amount of growth again. But again, this is not an investment advice. Do your due diligence and talk to somebody who's an expert or who's a certified consultant here, and then only make your investment. So, hope you all found this information helpful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for such insightful content. And if you have any questions, if you have any suggestions, please comment them down below. I'll be more happy to read them and respond. All right, thank you, everyone.